Dear friends, today I'm going to discuss how to fix the error module face recognition is not found. I was working on a face detection project. Let me open PyCharm. This is my project face detection. This is a simple Python file. I have imported face recognition. When I run the file, I got the error message, import face recognition, module not found error, no module named face recognition. I will tell you how to fix this error. Go to File, Settings, select Project Face Detection, Python Interpreter, click this plus button, install, select Face Recognition. This one, recognize faces from Python or from the command line. Version is 1.3.0. Click Install Package. It's installing. Yeah, I got the message, package face recognition installed successfully. Let us close this one. Click OK button. Now run the file again. It's running. Yeah, we got the output. Hi PyCharm. So in this way we can fix the issue import face recognition module not found error. This is useful for any other projects. Even we are using this face recognition import file, Python file in any other languages like JavaScript for face recognition. It will install face recognition in the system itself. Thank you very much.